Hello, my name is Zachary Trey, and I am with Bradley Cusper, Madison Pilland, and Jennifer Smith to present to you Carvaco PA's marketing plan. Today, we'd like to discuss the company itself, the services they provide, the market in which they'll provide these services, their market strategy, their market expense budget, their competition, and their online presence that they hold. To give a little insight, or introduction into Carvaco PA, they are a multidisciplinary firm located in Bemidji, Minnesota, which services include engineering, architecture, surveying, landscape architecture, construction, and even project delivery services. Mike Carvaco founded Carvaco Engineering in 2006 and 2014 with the intent of gaining additional services and capabilities. They merged with Richard Rood Architecture and became Carvaco PA. Some of the team leaders at Carvaco PA include the president himself, Mike Carvaco, the marketing team leader, Kelly Dixon, the architectural team leader, Tari Riala, and Amber C., the business team leader. There are three main segments in which Carvaco PA markets to: government, commercial, and residential. For government, the customer needs are going to be larger, obviously. Some examples that we have are the Bemidji Jail and the Bemidji Airport. For commercial, the customer needs are going to be slightly smaller, but still nearly the same. They are going to be looking for more stuff as site and utility designs, construction observation and inspection, and other things like that. Some examples that we have are public parks and the Beltrami Electric Cooperative. For residential, those are going to be the smaller projects such as surveying and landscape architecture. Some examples that we found are boundary surveying. Strengths that Carvaco PA has is that they have the ability to work with any size company from large to small. They have a great internal environment with very skilled employees. Their opportunities are they are a newer, more modern firm. They have a smaller office with the ability to connect and talk with their clients on a personal level. They have a huge growing Facebook audience. Some weaknesses that we have found is that the location of the office is limited for parking and difficult to access. Some other weaknesses is that they are the newest engineering and architecture firm in the area. Some threats that they may run into are the cost of technology to perform services and the pending legislation that may lead to increasing costs for licenses and certifications. Some of the competition that we have seen are Northern Engineering and Consulting, which is a Native American-owned firm in Bemidji, Minnesota, Northwestern Engineering, EAPC Architect Engineers, and finally Wideseth Smith Knowlting and Associates Operate, which is a business sector consulting in engineering management and architecture.
Carvaco's target markets include government, commercial, and residential organizations within Bemidji and the surrounding areas, including Black Duck, Bagley, Cass Lake, and Walker. Carbico has positioned itself as a multidisciplinary firm. By combining more than one discipline, they are able to offer engineering, architecture, and surveying services for the government, commercial, and residential industries. Their goal is to offer their team of problem solvers. Carbico wants to uphold their unique culture and signature communication style and be known for not being a one size fits all firm. Carbico's strategy would be to engage past, current, and potential clients and communities that may be interested in the services that Carbico offers by educating their audience through social media platforms and website content. The Bemidji area is increasingly growing in population, industry, and income. With social media, Carbico could be reaching potential client and communities before their services are needed. Carbico employees and executives can participate in community events, including presentations at the Launchpad every Wednesday morning with area business leaders. They can offer tours of their office to engineering students at Bemidji State University, and they can educate their social media audience with live updates of their projects using photo and video on Facebook and tagging other companies involved with the project, leaving it to be shared and acknowledged with more than just Carbico's audience. The target audience for social media in Carbico's multidisciplinary firm is visually oriented. This can be used for creating a series of video content to get a positive response. In addition, this form of marketing material is a match for sharing activities on social networks. In this way, Carbico can engage their audience to discuss, submit comments, and share their video content. Also, since Carbico has and utilizes its blog, pushing their industry insights and specialist engineering thoughts to other industry and company peers will increase their authority in social media channels and start increased leads through the calls to action on their website.
Acquiring Richard Root Architecture in 2014, Carbico offers engineering and project planning, architecture and public relations, landscape architecture and environmental services, and land surveying. Carbico knows that maintaining a project while being cost efficient and making it aesthetically appealing is very difficult. But with 30 years of architecture experience, they know that they can handle any job, big or small. Carbico also believes that green areas such as parks and trails are essential to community health, and they are willing to preserve and or build those areas in communities, big or small. Carbico's surveyors are equipped with the latest technology to ensure accuracy and efficiency. As well, Carbico offers to be the liaison between you and any governing agency that sees over